This Kubota is like true. Well, I will unless one of y'all want to shoot.
I think they're in between the two.
I was gonna say, you want me to walk down and kind of walk back towards us?
Yeah. Damn. All right.
I mean,
we needed to come here anyway, so I'll take it.
Whoa.
This Kubota is just a lucky vehicle, is what it is.
Is it?
Yeah, 'cause this happened last time we did this. Like literally the exact same scenario.
Right towards me?
Right that way.
Towards that dead tree. Here. So you got bored with it. You went that way.
We got a Covey though, I'm
Come here.
thinking.
Oh yeah. Over here.
Yep.
They were right here behind me.
Get ready just in case I'm coming up.
All right.
Damn it.
Leave him right
I'm
there.
sorry.
No, you're good. You're
like,
good.
maybe I
That
can come
and they
around
needed to
this
be
way.
flush, so I mean it's all good.
Good Vegas.
You said they were behind us?
Yeah,
They were right there in front of the Kubota.
Kubota.
We might get more up though. Vegas, Kaza.